Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download pattern swatches for fabric branding from Spoonflower. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Spoonflower website. In the search bar, type in the type of fabric or pattern you are interested in. Browse through the available designs. Once you find a pattern you like, click on it. This will take you to the pattern's detail page. Look for a button or link that says Download or Download Swatch. Click on that option. You may need to select the size of the swatch you want to download. Choose the appropriate size for your needs. Confirm any download settings if prompted. Once you've made your selections, click the Download button again. The swatch will then be processed. Your browser will usually trigger a download notification. Locate the downloaded file in your device's Downloads folder. Open the file to check the swatch. Make sure it meets your quality and design expectations. Now you are ready to use the pattern swatch for your fabric branding projects. That's it. Enjoy creating with your new fabric swatches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.